How do you edit the alias on a continuous color legend in Tableau? In this example, I have a bar chart of sum of sales by category, and the legend just says sales, not ag sales and not sum of sales. Let's take a look at how to do this in Tableau. If you created a bar chart of sum of sales by category with sales on color, you'll see that your legend says sum of sales. Even if you aggregate your pill, it will still say ag of sales. Let's create a calculated field. We're going to have to use a level of detail. Let's call this sales with an underscore. I can't name it exactly the same. We're going to use a fixed level of detail. So fixed, for each category, give me the sum of sales. Click apply, okay. This time put that sales on color and change it to a dimension. Now it just says sales underscore. Hope that helps.